Welcome to our tutorial on the Affinity command. This is the fifth command in the Transformations toolbar. Let's explore the Affinity definition window. Under Axis System, even if nothing is selected, CATIA will use the origin point, the XY plane, and the X-axis. Under Element, I'll select Extrude 1. You can see here in the Ratios area, we can scale to the X, Y, and Z vectors independently. Under the Z direction, let's enter 1.25 for our value and hit Tab. Actually, let's put in 2 instead. Tab. The scaling and translation happen at the same time. Extrude 1 is now stretched in the Z direction, and let me explain why this happens. It's because CATIA computes the scaling from the origin point and the XY plane. Basically, the distance between this surface and the XY plane is less than the distance between this surface and the XY plane. That's why this surface moved only a little bit, and this surface moved significantly more. Now, let's change the location of the origin point. Right-click, we'll create a point. Under Point Type, let's select Circle, Sphere Center. Let's select this circle's edge. Click OK. For a ratio, we're going to enter 1.25 on the Y-axis. Tab. Hide the initial element and click OK. And OK again. And this concludes our tutorial on the Affinity command.